So we've got a published API, a JavaScript API, and we've built plugins that for all of the major e-commerce platforms, whether it be WooCommerce, Shopify, BigCommerce. Regardless of us having a plugin or not, with our JavaScript API, you can integrate with our system through any e-commerce site, even non-e-commerce site. All you're doing is you're creating a button that will call our API to create a transaction, and that's a public transaction, so it's no different to browsing a product within your website. All that happens at that point is that we open an iframe within the site. That iframe can either be displayed as a pop-up or embedded in the page. The merchant has complete control over the way that we display and how we display. We append the widget to the product page, to the standard product template. But we have customers that activate it on the home page. We have customers that activate it on a button click on the nav bar. There are lots and lots of different customer journeys that our customers set up to meet the needs that they've got for their particular customer experience. And so then a transaction is created. We take the customer through the design process in the iframe, and then once that's design is complete, we create a payload of data. We append it to the order in the line items, and then the order process at that point has essentially left Spiff, and now you're basically still within the e-commerce. You're within the e-commerce process or the e-commerce site of that merchant, and you can continue to shop and buy other things, or you can check out. Once the customer checks out, via webhooks, the site securely places a transaction or an order for that transaction ID on our system, and then the delivery channels, the fulfillment automation and delivery channels all get executed, and at that point, the files or metadata get routed to wherever they need to get routed to.